We are going to make chocolate cake, simple and easy recipe. Our all-purpose flour is ready. 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. Then add the 1 cup sugar powder. You can melt it also, the sugar, into the milk. 1/4 cup cocoa powder. Then 1 teaspoon baking powder. And 1 teaspoon baking soda. A pinch of salt. Mix all the dry ingredients. Then add the 1/2 cup of melted butter, 1 cup fresh milk. 2 times because my cup is 1/2, 1/2. 2 pieces of large egg. Some drops of vanilla extract, 8 to 10 drops.
Wow, you're mixing that fast. Chocolate cake.
I already greased my pan.
Now you need to put it here. So that's how you make it.
If you want more darker or more chocolate, you can use 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. You can reduce or adjust. Now our cake is ready. See, look at that. Very soft and fluffy. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.